All right, if you're running a Shopify store, you already know SEO is a huge deal. But what about that soul-crushing task of internal linking? Today, we're going to dive into InterLinks, an app that's completely flipping the script on this, with some seriously smart automation and AI. Let's get right into it.
So, let's kick things off with a question that, might hit a little too close to home. Seriously, how many hours of your life have you lost just manually plugging links into your content? We all know it's a must-do for SEO, but let's be real, it's an absolute time sink.
And that really brings us to what I like to call the hidden SEO grind. Yeah, it's that behind-the-scenes, super frustrating process of building out your store's internal link structure, one tedious click at a time. It's a pain.
This quote from the person who actually created the app just says it all, doesn't it? The moment you realize that linking your amazing content is taking longer than actually creating it, well, that was the spark for InterLinks. It just nails that feeling when the admin work starts to completely overshadow the fun, creative parts of your business.
And here you can just see the difference, clear as day. The old way? It's this tangled mess of manual work that you have to constantly babysit. You add a new product, a new blog post, and boom, you're right back at it. But the InterLinks way? Well, it's all streamlined and automated. It's a genuine set it and forget it kind of deal.
So, what's the big solution here? It all boils down to one word: automation. The whole idea is just to get rid of that manual grind so you can get back to focusing on what actually moves the needle. Growing your business.
And the process itself is so incredibly simple. First, you just give it your keywords and where you want them to link. Then, InterLinks does a quick scan of your whole site, and then, here's the magic part. The links just appear, in real time as people visit your pages. And get this, it does it all without ever changing your original content. It's super clean, super efficient.
The scale of this is just wow. We're talking over 2.7 million internal links created automatically for more than 1,000 Shopify stores. I mean, just try to imagine the thousands upon thousands of hours of manual work that represents. All that time saved while making their SEO even stronger.
But okay, that basic automation, that was really just the beginning. The real game changer is when the app evolved and started using AI. This is where things get truly transformational. It's not just about doing the work anymore, it's about adding a layer of actual intelligence to your SEO.
And look how fast this has all happened, just in 2025. It kicked off in April, with AI suggesting high-value keywords you might have totally missed. By June, a way smarter algorithm got rolled out, seriously boosting coverage. And then in August, a massive leap. The app started creating the SEO content for you, not just linking it.
And we're not just talking about some random article generator. No, this AI blog creation feature is strategic. It writes content specifically designed to back up your linking goals, turning a simple list of keywords into valuable SEO-ready blog posts. It's such a powerful fix for that endless content treadmill every store owner is on.
And all this leads to some pretty incredible, tangible results. The new AI-powered algorithm gives you 80% more keyword coverage. Why? Because it's smarter. It actually understands context and different ways people phrase things, finding linking opportunities that a simple keyword match would just fly right past.
But does it actually impact the business? Oh yeah, the numbers from the beta testers speak for themselves. They saw huge improvements across the board. People visited more pages, they bounced less, and maybe most importantly, conversions went up by 15%. That's a better customer experience that leads directly to more sales.
So, beyond all the cool automation, InterLinks gives you some really powerful analytics and control. This part is all about how the app basically hands you the keys, letting you turn all that data into much smarter SEO decisions. Now, this analytics dashboard isn't just a bunch of numbers. It's practically a roadmap. It shows you exactly which keywords need more love, lets you double down on the content that's already working, and this is huge, it points out the gaps. It literally shows you where you're missing out on chances to create new links and grab more traffic.
And for those of you running bigger stores, you know that managing SEO at scale comes with its own set of headaches. These enterprise tools are built for that. They give you the power and, just as importantly, the safety features you need for big operations, like smart bulk editing and data backups. It really proves this app is built to grow with you.
And that brings us to the grand finale, the ultimate validation, the Built for Shopify standard. Look, getting this recognition from Shopify themselves, that's a massive testament to the app's quality, security, and performance.
Let's be really clear here. Achieving Built for Shopify status is a huge deal.
This isn't some participation trophy. We're talking less than 1% of all the apps in the Shopify ecosystem get this recognition. It truly puts it in a best-in-class, elite category.
I mean, this chart really puts it into perspective, doesn't it? It's just a tiny, tiny sliver. It's Shopify's way of pointing to an app and saying, this one meets our absolute highest standards. It's a clear signal of excellence in a very, very crowded marketplace.
So for you as a store owner, what this really means is peace of mind. It's a guarantee of quality, top-notch security, and you know for a fact that it's going to work seamlessly with Shopify, now and in the future. You can just trust it. And all of this really just brings us to one final thought for you. With AI and automation completely changing such a core part of SEO, is your store's strategy actually ready for this shift? It's a pretty important question to ask yourself as you plan for what's next.